Here are some different adjectives to talk about feelings. This word is bored. We can say, I am bored because the film is boring. This one is annoyed. We say, I am annoyed. Or we can say, that boy in my class is really annoying. Surprised. We can say, I'm surprised. Or that present was surprising. We can say frightened, or the film is frightening. We can say I'm relaxed, or this chair is very relaxing. This music is relaxing. We can say I'm tired, or this work is very tiring. We can say frustrated, I'm frustrated, or I find this maths very frustrating. I am excited, or the film is very exciting. This boy is embarrassed. Or we can say, if I fall over, it's embarrassing. Confused. This girl is confused about her work. Her work is confusing. Worried. Look at this girl, she's really worried. Maybe she's heard some worrying news. Satisfied. This boy is very satisfied. He's done some work that is very satisfying.